Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about JSP scripting element. When it comes to JSP, there are 5 scripting elements available to us, namely expression, scriptlet, declaration, directive and comment. In this video we will talk about expression scripting element. So let's get started. Now friends, in order to save some time, I have already added this project JSP expression into Eclipse IDE. Moreover, we also have this hello.jsp file. So in here, first of all, let me show you the syntax. Syntax is very simple. It starts with the tag element percentage equal to and ends with the percentage tag element. And for example, I would like to display some kind of a string on web page, then we will simply make use of double quotes. For example, I will type in hello in here. Now friends, in here, we need not to make use of any kind of statement terminator, semicolon. Whenever we make use of expression element, it would be only one statement. As a result, there is no requirement of a statement terminator. Alright, so this looks good to me. Let me execute this particular fragment of code and here is the output, which is perfect. Now friends, this doesn't make any sense to display a string using the expression element. We can directly print this on the web page like this, and again things will work. But when we make use of a yet another element, the name of the element is declaration element, then this makes sense. For example, in here I make use of the declaration element, and the declaration element starts with percentage and exclamation mark, and in here we can declare variable. For example, in here I type in public int x equal to 22 maybe, and semicolon definitely. Now inside this expression element, definitely we can try to print the value of x. Let me refresh the page and here is the output. So now it is more sensible. Now let's check the JSP file once again. In here we are making use of 2 lines. Firstly declaration element and then expression element. Can we mix both of these lines? Let me show you. For example, in here, can we do this like this? Int x equals to 22. Let me show you. Let me refresh the page and there would be a crash. But for example, we would like to make use of a integer type of data, then this can be done. I can type in new integer and pass 22 maybe, and then if I refresh the page, the output would be 22. And this is also correct with string. I can also type in new string and we can display a string. The string could be, for example, my name, and let me refresh the page and here is the output. So these small little tricks can be easily played with the expression element. For example, we can also print the date in here. I can type in new java.util.date. So these kind of method can be easily called using the expression language. Again, let me refresh the page and here is the date. Now friends, apart from calling in the methods, we can also perform some kind of operations. Let me show you real quick. So in here, for example, we perform a very simple arithmetic operation, which is 25 multiplied by 4. The answer is 100, right? And the final answer would be printed on the web page. Let me show you. Here is the output. So this is pretty cool. Apart from that, the operations could be further more complicated as well. For example, Boolean type of operations. So in here, let me also add a yet another br tag, and let me copy this line of code real quick. For example, in here I say 25 is greater than 4. Now this particular operation is a Boolean operation and this should either give us true or false. Let me refresh the page and the answer should be true. So here is the output. So this is cool. Now friends, when to make use of expression element? Whenever there is a small little single line calculation operation, you can definitely make use of expression element. Moreover, whenever you would like to call a method again, this can be used. And finally, definitely in order to display the value of a variable, again expression element can be used. So this is it for today's video. In our next video, we will dig more into the elements and we will check a couple of new things. Thanks for watching.